What's up, you guys? It's your girl Loverlee, and I am back with another video. If you haven't seen the part 1 of this tutorial, just go ahead and pause this video right now. Go back on my channel and watch the video before this one, which is the part 1 tutorial showing you guys how to make the balloon mosaic frame of this Halloween inspired theme pumpkin. But without further ado, if you aren't subscribed to the channel already, please just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn that subscribe button red. No, if the subscribe button is red, click on it and turn it gray. Yeah. And give this video a big thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comment section if you like this or not. I want to know. And even if you're going to be recreating it, let me know in the comment section below. But this is the part 2 tutorial, so sit back, relax, and I hope you guys enjoy it. For this tutorial, I'm going to be filling it with balloons, just styling it, and I'm going to be using a low temperature glue gun, a mini low temperature glue gun, to attach the balloons to the foam board. I'm also going to be using 5 and 11-inch balloons from QUALATEX. I have my hand pump and my scissors that I'm going to be using to cut off the tail of the balloons. So anything else that I missed, it will be in the description box down below, so go ahead and check that out and make sure that you have all the materials. But without further ado, let's get straight into this tutorial. Oh, also I'm going to be using these green 260Q balloons for the stem of the pumpkin, but you guys will see exactly how I use them later on in the video. Bye bye. Alright, you guys, so just like my other tutorial, the last tutorial that I made of the Halloween ghost, I'm showing you guys how to use less balloons and still have your balloon mosaics looking full. So this is just another example of that. I'm using the smaller or the baby balloons to fill in the holes, just so the foam board below is not visible. So this is another example of me using less than 100 balloons and having my balloon mosaic still looking full. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright you guys, so here's the final results for my Halloween inspired balloon mosaic pumpkin. And if you'd like to get the template for this, the link will also be in my description box down below, as well as all of the other materials that I use to finish this look. If you aren't subscribed to the channel already, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section if you like this balloon mosaic, or if you're gonna recreate it, or even if you don't like it, just let me know in the comment section below. But I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.